Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be assembling a Valentine gnome. It's going to have a candy dome on it. And this is our dome here. So we have several layers here. We have our back layer, middle layer, top layer, our mustache, our beard, nose, and two little shoes. So first we're going to start with putting our middle layer over the back layer. And the way this design is cut, there's a little tab here that you pull, and that's how you get the candy out. It's scored in a circle. That's the shape of the dome. So that's how you get the candy out. Okay, so I'm going to line this up. I have my hot glue gun here. I'm going to let's put some glue on the top portion first. And then I'm going to glue the rest of it. Okay. And now I'm going to put on my top layer. I have to be careful at the top because we have these cutouts. Okay. All right, so now we're going to add our filling to our dome. I'm just going to put a few foam beads in. And I'm going to put 5 Hershey Kisses inside. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to go around the interior of this cutout here. And I'm going to raise this up and I'm going to meet my dome with this. Okay. And I'm going to press my dome down. And I'm going to go around the base of the dome because I'm going to have the beard is going to cover all around this rim. So we'll be able to cover up our glue. So we're going to let that sit for a minute. I'm going to give it just a little light pressure. Let that set up there. Make sure we have a good closure. Okay, feels really nice. It's holding up really good here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my beard over the dome. I'm going to press it down and I'm just going to lift up this part lightly to get a little glue under here. Okay, and I'm going to put a few glue dots down at the bottom. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is add my little mustache here. And then I'm going to add my little nose. And I see I have my little mustache off a little bit, but that's fine. That's a gift for my granddaughter, so that'll be fine. Then I'm going to add the little shoes here. Okay, guys, and I made another one here. So we have 2 little gnome candy domes, and I think they turned out good. This is a nice little quick and easy craft. It makes a nice little Valentine gift. Doesn't take much paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.